So we actually are eating at the restaurant by the hotel.
It's a Mel's Kitchen.
Mel's Kitchen. And yes, it's in the morning time, so we're going to be eating breakfast.
Alright. Ooh,
Feel free to pause it if you want to look at it more. Go ahead, comment down, tell us what you think would look good.
Alright, mine is a simple breakfast, and yours is, well, I have my eye on that bacon over there.
Keep looking.
I will take one. Yeah, it's okay. And maybe a piece of the toast too. I mean, I need it. Why is it? Why is it that face? You don't want to share?
Right.
You're gonna share. Yeah. San Francisco on a Sunday morning, it looks very calm and quiet for me. The first impression that I had of the city, it was that it was kind of dirty, right? It was like they have a lot of homeless problems, and as you can see, it's very hard to see. It's a very well-developed city in most areas, but there are some areas that you cannot go through because it gets to the dangerous point, and it's dirty. But it's beautiful, but it's dirty. Alright, it's time to go.
Yeah, it's time to go. We're actually walking the hills, the rolling hills.
It's deep.
And we're going to Chinatown, so we're going to see how cool that is. See you when we get there.
Are you okay?
Oh, it reminds me of high school when I used to run hills.
But look how beautiful the sky is. Yeah. Hey, are you tired? I'm tired.
Oh, I'm tired. Usually I can go forever, but holy crap.
But look at that. Hang on. Look at that.
Yeah, we came from all the way down there.
See that? Hey. See that?
Yeah, we came from all the way down there.
Hang on. Yeah. There you go.
So we're here in China.
What I love the most about big cities in America is the fact that they are very cultural and they have diversity. They have different neighborhoods, they have all kinds of food, all kinds of people, all kinds of languages, and I believe that this is what makes America great, because we do have this diversity. We do have all this melting pot of people bringing their cultures together to make what it is today. This country is made by immigrants, and as we can see, this is so important for our growth.
We're here walking around in Chinatown, San Francisco, which is a very cool place. A lot of Asian supermarkets. And
Dim sum.
yeah, we could go. Let's check how much is it. Well, you know, there's different prices, so. But that looks good. I want to get in. There's probably a market too, so. Oh, look, see, we can get in if you want to go in.
Sure, let's go.
Turn it off. Oh my god, 3 for $10.99. I usually buy one for like 4 or 5. Look, this is the Asian lace, right? And look at the flavor. It says roasted red meat flavor, which I assume is some type of curry, maybe? Roasted garlic oyster, and then they have, let's see, roasted cumin lamb skewer, fried crab flavor. This is crazy. That's nice. Texas grilled barbecue flavor, and then start going down. And then roasted fish flavor. Okay. Look. Do you want it?
No.
Now you sure?
How much is it?
It says, I think it's $7.95. If you want
I'll think
to,
about it.
think about it. That's nice. Look at that. See? Nice. I think somebody ate all the Easter chocolate, just like me at work. Look at that. Good buddy. Let's finish. No more. Okay.
As you can tell, we're in Little Italy. I'm sorry about my accent, it sucks.
It's just terrible. He butchers any accent that he can put his like voice in it. He just butchers. Like Little Italy.
Mwahahaha.
Little Italy look like grocery. You have to talk like that. You have to give that tone. He doesn't know how to do it.
So tell them what you just told me.
I said that we just crossed the street and then we are in Italy. We went from Asia, China basically. Now we are in Italy. So I'll take it. And they have like all this good stuff and look, brush. Talk with the hand. Good. But see the coffee shop and all this stuff. And then you can see the flags because then they mark down where we went. So that's pretty good. Cucina Toscana. See, my accent is pretty good. See, look at it. See it? I can't read it. Cucina. I think I'm so used to putting my phone in the other pocket that this pocket doesn't close. So, ooh, International School of Pizza.
A pizza.
Yeah. Pizza con filme. Why? Well, I saw this park and I immediately decided to go for a run. Like the hills are alive, and when I realized that as soon as I stopped, my scarf was choking me, and like a dog on a leash, I did it to myself. residential area. This is quieter.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired you first. I write second verse. I know it hurts.
Thank you.
So yeah, the prices were so good. We thought it'd be really small. And this is one dish. We ordered 2 dishes.
It's family style. Basically.
So it's actually family style. This was only $7.90. So I was like, yeah, that should be enough for me. Oh my God, it's gonna go both of us. And we have another dish coming.
Mine is $13.50.
So I hate to know how much that is.
Yeah. So,
We have 2 teas, some sauce.
Let me see.
We'll get this figured out, but I just want to show you the amount right there.
Oh, that looks like.
So that's crazy. And here's the second dish. So,
Wow.
yeah, that's a lot of food. You could feed a whole family with this much.
Well, yeah, that one over there is mine. I didn't know. I should have known that family style. Yeah, well, but did you like it?
It's delicious.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll eat mine now.
Ai này thì cứ có vậy. Cái yêu hoài thì có mà đi có. Đi không vào đến cả lo. Yêu.